Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. Looking up from my bed, I can look at the time on the ceiling thanks to my projection alarm clock that we're going to tell you all about. I can see the temperature indoor and out in degrees or Celsius, and I can see that it's actually a beautiful night out. So this is absolutely fantastic. So let's go ahead and check it out, and we're going to kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. All right, folks, so what can I tell you about this fantastic device? First off, it's straightforward and easy to use, easy to read, and you can adjust the backlight however you want. If you don't want a lot of light at night, you want a bunch, that's up to you. And I love that it'll give you the forecast, the indoor and the outdoor remote temperature, and everything in between. Now, you can even set alarms very easily. You can go ahead and set max and minimum temperatures, outdoor temperatures, however you need, heat index, etc., to where you can protect whether you're running a garden, you want to know if you should bring the plants in for cold, or whatever you have, just a straightforward min and max button right here. You've got a snooze and a light button to where you can turn on the light and see what's going on. And there's just so much that you can control at the push of a button. Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can see outdoors, it's almost 80 degrees. And then indoors, 73.4. The mold risk, 56% indoors, 66% outdoors. And that's going to be an important indicator here in Florida. On top of that, like I showed you, you can turn this on and off, but it has the, the projection of the time that you can put right in your ceiling. And that red light isn't so bright that it's going to keep you up, but it's going to allow you to know what's going on. And on the back, you can turn on and off your alarms and turn on and off the projection. See? How easy is that? Just at a push of a button. Now, the other cool thing is that it does come with a outdoor indicator. You can have up to 3 of them tied into the same device. That's right, 3 different indicators all in the same device, which means that you can keep multiple temperatures of what's going on outside. See the temperature's rising outside. It's 80.3 now, but it's still a nice, cool temperature indoors, and that's great as well. All right, folks, if you're looking for something absolutely fantastic, I haven't even began to touch on all the creature features and comfort of this thing. It's also an economic design in terms of it doesn't use a lot of power. And like I said, you can have up to 3 remotes. You can have indicators letting you know if it's getting too hot, too cold, too humid, etc. And it's easy to set with all the push buttons right there for you, including multiple alarms, and it's just so easy to set. Give you the day of the week, the month. So much information, right? Humidity, comfort zones. You can see, I think it's comfortable in here. I think this is a great temperature. But folks, stick around because we have the up-close portion of the video, but there's so much more to talk about. Hey folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of our video. This is a projection alarm clock with weather station, hygrometer, and everything that you're going to need. The SC91 by SMARTRO, S-M-A-R-T-R-O. Yeah, it'll even show the temperature indoors and out. It will show things like humidity. It will give you the day of the week, the date, the forecast, and of course, it's going to project the time so you can see it from just about anywhere. So it says the weather forecast feature, 2 alarms, a snooze function, adjustable brightness of backlit projection, project time and temperature on the wall or ceiling, indoor and outdoor temperature, humidity monitoring. This thing is everything. And connect up to 3 wireless sensors at the same time. Are you kidding me out? All right, so let me go ahead. I'm going to open her up for you, and you can see what's inside. But the SC91 is the bee's knees, and it's the cat's pajamas. It's the cat's meow, and I'm super excited to check her out. There we go. Have a security tape on it. Took that off. Now, first off, I've checked out SMARTRO before, and they have very easy to read instructions. It again tells you the weather forecast, time and temperature, the overall time, Indoor and outdoor temperature, indoor and outdoor humidity. Yeah, that's great. You can use that for like a humidor or your grow house or anything of the sort. The color digital display, the snooze button, you can select between Celsius and Fahrenheit, the dual alarm, and the adjustable backlighting. Now, what I like about this, easy to set, easy to read, and diagrams that are written in English by English speakers, native English speakers, so it's easy to adjust. A1 is time, A2 is calendar, A3 is week. Very easy, straightforward. You probably don't even need the instructions because these guys really do great work at making high quality, lightweight, sophisticated technology that's built to last and going to help you see into the future. Right on. So here's your standard 110 outlet. Easy peasy to the degree of lemon squeezy. This is just going to plug it in the back. You can see you can turn on and off your alarm, the projection on and off, and you can pull that tab right when you get it to get the battery going and get it started right. Get it started quickly. All right, up here you have all your buttons, your set, your alarm, your snooze light, your channel on and off, etc. And of course you can aim your projection however and wherever you want to. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. This thing is indeed the bee's knees, the cat's pajamas, and the cat's meow. So if you're looking for something that's absolutely stellar, stylish, timeless even, this is the product for you. All right, now you have the external sensors here, and you can see you just add in a couple batteries, a couple AA's, and this thing is good wherever you want it. All right, folks, I can't wait to get started. I'm gonna go ahead and plug her in. And if you haven't already, this is the product for you. It's fantastic.